All right, guys, so the last thing, we're going to have Nate here. He's going to cough from his belly using those abdominal muscles, and we're going to see what we got. So hopefully this postural drainage treatment worked, and we get some good gunk out of his lungs. You ready?
Yeah.
As much as you need. Nice deep breath. Great job.
Yeah.
All right. So it looks like we have some yellowish, greenish sputum or gunk, whatever you want to call it, gunk from his lungs. That typically means there may be some sort of bacterial infection, but we would just document what we see.